Hey guys, it's Diane here, also Baby Doll, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do braids. So first of all, let's split your hair. So it's the same amount on each side. And then tie your hair up on one side so it's not getting in the way when you're braiding the other side. And now just take the other side and split it in 3/2. So it looks like this. And now take this part and put it over one of these parts. And then the other part over it too. And just twirl it around like that. Keep doing it like this. Like this. Put it over. And over. I'm trying to do it in slow motion so you can see it better. So like this. And then like this. Just keep putting the parts over each other. Just keep doing it. And then you have a braid. Now the other side. So the same thing again, part it in 3/2, and then put it over another. Like first like this, over that part, then take the other part and put it over it again. Like this. Put it over, and the other over, and so on. It's like this. Over. Just keep putting all the parts over the other parts and just twirl it around. If you once try to do it and get into it, it's actually pretty simple, and it's just the most simple braid type ever. There are more complicated braid types that I can't do at all, but this one is the easiest. And yeah, just try doing it and you'll get good at it. It looks hard at first, but it actually isn't. And here you got your braids. Doesn't look best because my hair is too short, so some part of my hair that is too short is sticking out. It doesn't look so good. But yeah, this is how braids are done. Sorry for the bad explanation, but since English is my native language, I sometimes am lacking words how I should explain it or say it. But I hope I could help you doing braids. And I hope you can do it right now. And if this didn't help you, then you need to watch your other tutorial from an actual native English speaker, because English is not my native language. I'm very sorry about that because I think my English is not strong enough to do this, but I tried. And yes, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and stay tuned to my next video. Bye!